Hello students, today we are going to learn a very basic technique from horticulture. Okay, you know all about the horticulture, what is horticulture and what techniques involved in horticulture. So today we are going to learn a artificial vegetative propagation. Okay, so what is artificial vegetative propagation? Artificial vegetative propagation, it is the type of reproduction in which the reproduction is done by human intervention. Okay, that means the vegetative reproduction which is made by human beings with the help of various tools and techniques. Okay, in which there are so many techniques of vegetative propagation or artificial vegetative propagation, in which cutting, budding, layering, grafting, and as well as very advanced technique like plant tissue cultures are included. Okay, in today's lecture we are going to learn a practical of grafting. Okay, so what is grafting? Grafting is the process of joining parts from two different plants to grow a single plant or new plant. Okay, so in the grafting technique we join the two different parts of a plant and these plant grow as a single. Okay, so grafting is very basic technique commonly used in all ornamental plants as well as apple plants, mango plant, okay, hibiscus plants. These techniques are common in all type of plants. Okay, so there are two major terminologies in grafting. First is rootstock and second is scion. Okay, so what is rootstock and what is scion? So rootstock, it is the part of a plant on which grafting is done. म्हणजेच ज्याच्यावरती ग्राफ्टिंग करणार आहोत त्या पार्टला काय म्हणायचं? रूटस्टॉक. आणि जो प्लांट पार्ट आपण ग्राफ्ट करणार आहोत त्याला म्हणायचं सायन. ओके, रूटस्टॉक अँड सायन. सो दीज टू आर मेजर टर्मिनॉलॉजीज. ओके, सो with the help of grafting two different plant properties can be fused in one plant. Okay, with the help of grafting two various plant properties we can fuse in a single plant. Okay, so what the steps of or what is the procedure of grafting? First of all, we have to choose two different plants or two different characters that we are gonna fuse with our plant. Okay, for example, high yielding as well as disease resistant properties, as well as flower color, smell of a flower. Which character you gonna want to in your new plant? Okay, these two plants are selected, then sufficient amount of stem is cut. Okay, healthy stem you have to cut, and then in rootstock you have to make a slit. For example, this is a rootstock plant and you have to make a slit like this. Okay, and then take another stem and make a slits and insert in that slit. Okay, and then tie with the help of plastic strips. Okay, so when here we make a cut, okay, there is a heel. Okay, so there is a space. Okay, so what are the steps in healing? Okay, in the healing or in this space, okay, the callus tissues are formed. What is the callus? Callus is undifferentiated mass of a cell. Okay, undifferentiated mass of a cell, and then this converts into or differentiate into the cambium tissue. Okay, then cambium further form xylem and phloem. Okay, we are going to the field and look how to make a graft plant. We will see in field. Here we actually done a grafting on hibiscus plant. Here this is the plant of hibiscus raising the red flowers. Okay, we gonna graft these plants on white flower hibiscus plant. Okay, so this is scion, this plant's twig is scion, and we going to the other plant that is white flower and graft it. For grafting, we select this white flowered hibiscus plant. You can see here are the flowers which are white in color. We select this twig as a rootstock. On this twig, we're gonna insert this red color hibiscus twig on this plant. This is cyan. This plant twig is called as cyan, and this is called as rootstock. Okay. We have to make this type of slit, and this slit we are going to insert this twig like that. Okay, you can see here we insert two different twigs. Okay, here you can see properly. After that, we have to tie like this with the help of polythene strips, okay, to avoid loss of water as well as to avoid the attack of microorganisms. After few days, this twig bears red flowers on white hibiscus plant.